So we made Curve, the world's first contactless payment ring. Now you can leave all this at home and still pay for stuff with a single gesture. No PIN or paired smartphone required. You can use Curve to make instant payments anywhere that displays the contactless payment symbol, which, at last count, was over 38 million locations worldwide. Engineered from zirconia technical ceramic, Curve is hypoallergenic, nearly as scratch-resistant as diamond, and waterproof. And unlike power-hungry smartphones or smartwatches, Curve never needs charging, but there's more to Curve than just payments. If you're in London, you can simply tap in on buses and on the underground, avoiding card crash and that frenzied search of the barrier, ticket or Oyster card. You can also store contact details to share with friends or colleagues at the tap of an NFC-enabled phone. And you can even use Curve to operate an NFC door lock to access your home or office.
So these tattoos enables anyone to create interfaces directly on their skin. The materials we use enable it to be very aesthetic and to reflect this metallic look. There's this emerging popularity in these metallic jewelry temporary tattoos, and they have really enabled the skin to be put in the spotlight again as a surface for decoration. We draw a lot from the usability and also the aesthetics of metallic temporary tattoos into the design of our on-skin interfaces. So this process is enabled by gold leaf. Gold leaf has been traditionally used for the frames of paintings, or they've been put in vodka or even on chocolates. So we are able to create 3 classes of devices. The first class is input devices to turn your skin into a trackpad or controller to adjust your music player. The second class is output displays. For example, a rose on your skin that would change color based on your body temperature, or a fire that would light up to show your emotion. The third class is communication devices, such as NFC tags, so you can read data directly off your skin. We can even enhance the aesthetics of existing metallic temporary tattoos by embedding LEDs. Where I come from in Taiwan, there's this huge culture of cosmetics and street fashion. And they're highly accessible and very cheap, so you can very easily change and edit your appearance whenever you want. It's just such an integrated part of our lives. This is something that we purposely wanted to make accessible to anyone. You could just use any graphic design software on your computer, like Painter or something, to just design the circuit. And then we would basically hook this up to this very cheap vinyl cutter and just cut out the traces on the film layer on top of the tattoo paper. And after that, you can just layer on the gold leaf and then remove it. After this, you apply the tattoo onto your skin as you would these temporary tattoos. In the future, when you walk into a tattoo parlor, you would come out with a tattoo like this. They will not only be very sophisticated technically, but they will become an extension of yourself.
More than 372,000 people can be saved from drowning this year. That's why it's our mission at Kingii to provide water safety.
Hi, I'm Tom Agapiades. I came up with the idea of Kingii after I lost a very good friend of mine 3 years ago. He drowned in a lake similar to this one, and it could have been prevented. When you drive a car, you put your seatbelt on. When you ride a bike, you put on your helmet. But how do you protect yourself in water? You set out to make the smallest inflatable in the world. And we came up with a convenient, non-intrusive way to provide safety to all of those in and around water.
This is Kingii, a portable flotation device that comfortably secures onto your wrist. It's fast to deploy, durable, and contained within a compact design. Kingii helps in case of exhaustion or heavy currents, or when there's poor circulation or cramps. Anytime you're on the water, even if you're just relaxing, you'll want a Kingii for you and a friend.
We like Kingii because it's small. It doesn't get in your way when you're trying to paddle out. You know, a lot of times when you're surfing, there's not a lifeguard anywhere near, so this gives you a little bit more sense of security.
Kingii can stay inflated for over 48 hours. It includes a compass, as well as a whistle for signaling help in case of emergency.
Having knowledge and good judgment are the first steps in water safety. Kingii can be coordinated with your needs. It's easy and fast to deploy, and it's already been grayed out.
Kingii is durable, and the CO2 cartridge is replaceable, so you can reuse Kingii as many times as needed.
We need your help to stop production and fight the dangers of drowning. With your support, you become an integral part of our team of ambassadors, and you'll be the first to receive a Kingii. Do it for yourself. Do it for your friends, surfmates, fishing buddies, and your family. Together, we can revolutionize water safety on a global scale.
To use the mouse, place the thumb rest located on the side of the thumb ring on a flat surface. When the thumb rest is touching the surface, tap automatically becomes a mouse. To move the cursor, glide the thumb rest along the surface. The sensitivity of the movement can be adjusted using the Tap Manager app. To click, keep the thumb rest on the surface and tap your fingers. For left click, tap your index finger. For right click, tap your middle finger. For operations like drag and drop, in which you would usually hold down the left mouse button, tap your index and middle fingers. Tap any finger to release the left mouse button. To scroll up a page, tap your ring finger. To scroll down a page, tap your pinky. You can also scroll continuously by tapping your ring and pinky fingers together, and then moving the mouse up and down. Tap any finger to stop scrolling. You can set the scroll sensitivity by using the Tap Manager app. To exit mouse mode, lift your thumb from the surface. Tap is now back in text mode. You can also set your tap for mouse-only mode using Tap Manager, or by pressing the on-off button twice when you turn your tap on.
Introducing the Lunicycle. The Lunicycle is a seatless unicycle that has a low center of gravity, making it easy to learn and fun to ride. It's made with leg supports on either side, which allows you to easily mount and find your balance, as well as to provide easy maneuverability while riding. The Lunicycle offers a slightly oval wheel that helps you stay in motion. Now everyone can ride a unicycle with the Lunicycle.
Thanks for watching my video. Drop a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe.